Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, latest NSight graphics and a compatible GPU driver. Once installed, enable developer mode and grant the tool required permissions so it can capture frames. Next, choose whether to launch your target executable directly from NSight or attach to a running process by PID. Make sure to set the correct working directory and command line args. This first action establishes consistent captures and avoids common permission errors that would block deeper profiling. Once you have a capture, begin focused analysis. Open the frame timeline to see draw calls and GPU/CPU timing, then inspect resources in the API inspector. Use the shader profiler to measure per stage execution and highlight expensive kernels. Place GPU markers and use conditional or multi-frame captures to reproduce intermittent problems. Make sure to compare captured metrics across frames and leverage pixel history to diagnose rendering artifacts. This layered approach reveals both bottlenecks and incorrect resource states for targeted fixes. To finish, iterate. Apply shader edits, state fixes, or resource changes, then recapture to confirm gains. Export captures and performance reports to share with teammates for code review and regression tracking. If you hit problems, no captures or missing metrics, first verify driver and NSight version compatibility, then retry running NSight as administrator and disable conflicting overlays. If persistent, reduce capture scope to a single frame or use a minimal repro app. That usually isolates the root cause so you can resolve it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.